When I die, I want your hands on my eyes. I want the light and the heat of your beloved hands to pass their freshness over me one more time, to feel the smoothness that changed my destiny. To live while I wait for you asleep. I want for your ears to go on hearing the wind, for you to smell the sea that we love together, and for you to go on walking the sand where we walk. And as for you, I loved you and sang you above everything. For that, go on flowering, flowery one. So that you reach all that my love orders for you, so that my shadow passes through your hair.